Okay. Good morning. So my name is Marsha Smith, and I'm the third through fifth grade instructional coach at I was about to say Carver. I'm sorry, Coker Wimberley Elementary School. I was given the privilege of conducting my externship at the Astema plant in the Tarboro, North Carolina. My project based lesson was centered around the concept of energy transfer in the form of coding and simple circuits. Um, and the overall topic I had was engineering the future, designing tomorrow today. When I was placed at Astema and going to the plant and finding out about the amazing things that they're doing, they're working with um, Honda, the best vehicles ever, just said. I was a little bit nervous about how I would impart it with elementary students because what they do there is phenomenal. But to me, it was geared more to middle or high school. But then just thinking about speaking to Jason and looking at coding for students. Objective, understand how energy can be transferred from one object to another. Students will understand how circuits and coding work together to power real world technology, such as automotive chips used at the Astema plant and everyday devices. Students will explain how coding controls electrical signals in a circuit, similar to how microchips help control Honda vehicle systems. And these are some students that were working together on a circuit. And then initially we looked at the principles of science and engineering and just picked out a few to focus on asking questions for sure, because you're starting with those questions that to develop not problem solving, asking questions to start the process. And then of course developing models and planning and carrying out investigations. This was myself and Miss Hedgepeth, that was an intern. I don't remember the name of the program, but a very good program. So we're ready to visit all the departments and see the innovative things being undertaken at STEMA right here in our own town of Tarboro. And like I told several persons, like I've drove past the plant, not realizing the magnitude of what they've done there, and to know that this impactful plant is right here in, everyone say little old Tarboro, but it just goes to show that everything can be done right at home. We just have to invest in our community. From plant to classroom, what's the connection? Astema uses circuit boards plus codes to control our Honda vehicles. In the classroom, the students use circuit kits plus block coding to simulate how signals are set. And again, here we see some of the scholars working on a simple circuit kit that we had. And the aim was to have a fan to be spinning when everything was connected correctly, as well as this egg should light up. Initially, they were working individually, and then the struggle was real. And so we went into groups, and then they collaborated, and it's worked out fine. Again, here we have the finished product, and this was another group of students working on their simple circuit. We also looked at coding, and we created a pathway, so to speak, a course, and they had to input the correct codes to navigate the OSBOT through the cones or through the circuit path. And then we had them testing out. We also had a little competition where they had to see who would be able to navigate through the course in the shortest time. And preparing for response. With me being the instructional coach for reading, math, and science for third through fifth, I wanted to tie in a little bit of language arts as well to it. And so we gave them some questions to respond to. And I'm not sure if this will play. What is code? Coding is where you code something to make it move or roll. Is coding important? Yes, because if you don't code something,
it will not move, or if you cut it incorrectly, it will not do well. Do you enjoy coding? I do enjoy coding because you can code something and when you code it, if it don't work, you can code it again. Jobs involve coding. Coding jobs are mechanic, engineer, scientists, nurses, teachers, and coding is fun.
So, in closing, I want to thank Bat, Jason, and the other employees from Estima, along with Vivian, Kevin, and everyone else at Step for this wonderful opportunity to see firsthand the amazing things that are taking place in Tarboro. And that's it. I think I said